This three-part module teaches you how to use simple interest rate swaps and options to manage interest rate exposures arising in the ordinary course of business, to evaluate the pros and cons of alternative hedging strategies, and to explain to a customer via tables and graphs the outcome of any particular solution. This module consists of 6 chapters, 2 of which appear in each of its 3 parts. In Part 1, Chapter 1 teaches you how to depict an interest rate exposure by means of a simple graph and to explain and quantify the consequences of leaving the exposure unhedged. Still in Part 1, Chapter 2 explains how basic interest rate swaps and options can be used to reduce or eliminate interest rate exposure, and how to explain the effect of such hedges by means of simple diagrams. In Part 2, Chapter 3 examines more sophisticated strategies centering around the use of option combinations, including collars and seagulls, to reduce the cost of protection by assuming risks the user is comfortable assuming. Still in Part 2, Chapter 4 progresses to participator forwards and leveraged strategies designed to reduce or eliminate option premiums for the user altogether. The chapter concludes by analyzing the advantages of all these strategies, but also why some of them have become so controversial in recent times. In Part 3, Chapter 5 lifts the level of product sophistication a little further still, describing strategies that incorporate more complex combinations of swaps, options, and swaptions, as well as strategies based on LIBOR in arrears. Finally, Chapter 6 contains 6 quiz questions to test your understanding of these materials.